from meddling. Cross was going to use Tyler and Caroline. Damon rescued them.
I need to go. Now. Before Jen has been sacrificed, I can kill Klaus myself.
Bonnie, if you use that much power, you'll be dead. We've already been through this. It's not an option.
Neither is letting Jenna die.
Stefan would agree with you. We're going to offer another vampire. One that he'll want more. Me.
Semiros triple I.
I mean, it's working.
It's working.
The day that the lawyers called to tell me that I was going to become a guardian, you know what my first thought was? Isn't there someone else who can do this?
Jenna, there was no one else who could have gotten me and Jeremy through all that.
Just the thought that I almost passed up taking care of you.
But you didn't. You put your entire life on hold to help us.
Look around, Elena. I failed you.
No, you didn't. I failed you. I'm so sorry. Listen, being a vampire intensifies your guilt. But it also makes you stronger, faster. You can fight back. I'm gonna get through this. I'll be okay. I need you to believe that. But promise me. When you get the chance. Run.
You don't think I killed him, do you?
No. No, it takes a lot more than one bullet to kill a werewolf. He's still out there somewhere.